Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here, and welcome to another video. This is a video in a new planner. I purchased a B6 spiral by Pression with a Simply Gilded collab cover that you can see there. And I got it with a rose gold coil just to use as an additional smaller memory keeping planner. And I wanted to bring you along as I set up this new planner. The Pression website and this B6 planner will be linked below, as well as the link to Simply Gilded. I used the monthlies that were included in my order for this planner and set those up, and that is the main activity that I'm doing in this video, as well as a weekly kit that was included as a freebie that you'll see me put down towards the end of March. It is a lime green color, so I felt like it wouldn't really fit. Like I probably wouldn't be able to use the stickers many other places, so I used as many of those as I could to set up the last weekly spread in March, which you'll see in a little while. You just saw me put down tab stickers on each of the clear tabs. I bought these when I placed this order in the marble colorway. In the mini month scripts that you saw me place down on top of each of those marble stickers is a mini months script from Planner Me. I'll have them linked below as well. The tweezers that I'm using are by Revlon. I'll link those or a similar pair below. And I just wanted to go through some of the stickers that you'll see me use in a little while before I switch over to play some music for the remainder of this video. The stickers that I use to mark paying our mortgage at the beginning of each month are by Mama Gloria's shop on Etsy. The mini payday scripts that I included on the last working day of the month are by Franny Lamb Stickers on Etsy. And as far as character stickers go, the couple stickers that you'll see are a mix of Pumpkin Paper Co. on Etsy and Once More with Love characters. The birthday stickers that you'll see throughout this setup are a mix of Once More with Love, Coffee Monsters Co. and Glam Planner. The teacher sticker that you saw me pull in is from Once More with Love, and the little construction worker that I use to mark Labor Day is also from Once More with Love. If you have any other questions or any requests for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to see more setup videos in this planner. And I will see you next time. Peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. Enjoy the music. Bye-bye.